This is the water park our company built in Guangdong in 2023. Covering an area of 13,000 square meters. It features a super pirate ship, a 13-meter high soaring whirlpool slide and rainbow slide, along with this 12-meter high spiral slide, with numerous amusement facilities and excellent space utilization. I'm currently standing in the wave pool area, which spans 1,500 square meters. Adjacent to the wave pool stands a 5-meter high sled slide, next to a mini soaring slide. Here you can see our signature super pirate ship, a flagship product of our company. Also visible are combo slides of mini funnel slide with mini rainbow slide, alongside a 12-meter high rainbow slide, and another spiral slide. What was once barren land has now been transformed into this beautiful attraction, located right in the city center, with high residential occupancy nearby. The park enjoys excellent popularity and business. This is both its greatest advantage and its biggest drawback. Surrounded by residential complexes, the visitors' laughter and screams frequently disturb nearby residents, leading to regular complaints. We advise future water park developers to avoid residential areas when selecting sites. Should you wish to create a water park, please contact us. We will spare no effort to build an exceptional water park for you.